State Prison also tested positive. News 11's Crystal Jimenez leads off our coverage tonight with the latest details on what we know so far.
The Arizona Department of Corrections began releasing the number of positive coronavirus cases for prisons across the state. That number today jumped from 0 to over 30 for the Yuma prison complex, confirming what several correctional officers told us just days prior. New numbers from the Arizona Department of Corrections. The prison in Yuma now with more than 30 inmates testing positive for the coronavirus. This out of more than 130 tests. More than 80 tested negative. A food contractor who works at the prison also tested positive. One of your employees at the Yuma prisons had tested positive for the virus. So can you confirm that for me?
So we can confirm that. Unfortunately, that is the case.
When reaching out to ADCRR about the positive coronavirus case, they did not want to comment on the contractor. They instead shared with us this statement. All employees entering the prisons go through required health checks. Any employee who is experiencing COVID-19-like symptoms are required to stay home, and ADCRR is continuing to implement CDC protocols and communicating to staff and inmates how to reduce risk of contracting the virus. Trinity Services Group says it is currently taking the necessary precautions. The Yuma prison complex is now the second prison complex in Arizona with the most positive coronavirus cases behind Florence. Most recently, News 11 spoke to an officer who said they were being mandated to work in the Florence prisons, but is unknown where the outbreak actually started. And as for the contractor,
our understanding is that it was caught early. They are not coming back to the facility and will not until they get the same bill of health.
The ADCRR also said any inmate who experiences flu-like symptoms is isolated from the general population. Reporting in Yuma, I'm Crystal Jimenez.
Crystal, thanks. We should mention that the DOC is waiting to hear back on results for 10 of those tests. We'll keep you updated on that.